Have you been looking for a ranch-style home on a large lot in the Greater Greenville area? In this video, we're going to take a tour of the Kennedy Floorplan by SK Homes right here in Amherst subdivision in Greer, South Carolina. Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people buy and sell residential real estate right here in the Greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. And that includes Greenville County, Spartanburg County, Anderson County, Pickens County, Lawrence County, Oconee County, and all the towns and cities in between. Now, we're also new construction experts, so we keep track of the builders in our local area here, their inventory, and the incentives that they offer to help make your home more affordable. Now, this particular home is the Kennedy Floorplan by SK Homes right here in Amherst subdivision in Greer, South Carolina. Now, Amherst has about 63 lots in this neighborhood. Most of them are already built on or occupied. They do have 3 inventory homes right now and a couple of lots left to be built on. Other than that, the neighborhood is pretty much almost closed out. This particular home here is the Kennedy Floorplan. It has 2,644 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms with a bonus room over the garage and 2 bathrooms. And it's open floor plan, gorgeous home. They did make some improvements to this one, some adjustments to the normal floor plan for this home. And so they've added some things which I'll show you here in a little bit. The builder here is offering up to $10,000 in builder incentive as far as closing costs goes if you use their preferred lenders. And that should help you either cover all of your closing costs or help you buy down your interest rate as well. Okay, so I'm going to pan around so we can take a look at this home. Now, if you like these videos, please click like and subscribe to our channel so you can be notified the next time we post a new video. All right, so let's take a look at this Kennedy floor plan by SK Homes. Okay, I'm just gonna show you around here a little bit. So this is a cement board siding neighborhood, so there are no vinyl siding in this neighborhood. These lots are about a half acre, and this particular one here is about 0.46, so it's almost a half acre lot. Really big yard. Okay, long driveway here. The space between the neighbors, and you can see this is not something you see on most neighborhoods. Most neighborhoods, you know, they build their homes really close to each other. And look at that driveway, pretty long driveway. You can get, you know, probably 4 to 6 cars out, you know, on the driveway, and then 2 inside the garage. So it's a 2-car garage. Like I said, this is a cement board siding neighborhood, so no vinyl siding here. And one thing with SK, you know, you got the stone on the bottom there. Take this walkway, sidewalk here to the front porch. Look at the size of this front porch. Large front porch. Put your rocking chairs out there. Nice spacious front porch. And you got some windows, glass on the door and the sides here, so let in a little bit more natural light. And as you come in, spacious foyer. You got the light fixture up there. To the left, you got a coat closet. It does have luxury vinyl plank floors. It's covered up right now because they're still working in here. Formal dining room. And then to the left here, you have one of the bedrooms. So this is one of your bedrooms. Okay. Back up a little bit so you can be able to see it. All right, so it does have a closet. It's just a normal size closet for a secondary bedroom. Look out here just real quick. And then go back to the left. And another closet. So you have 2 closets right here in the hallway, in the foyer entryway. And you come in, open floor plan, got the vaulted ceiling fan there, got the gas log fireplace, and you do have this, you know, bar area here, so you can put some taller bar stools here in front of the kitchen for this area. So granite countertops, large kitchen. Look at the size of this kitchen. You know, nice island, center island there. And then to the left, you've got the breakfast area. Okay, so breakfast area, and then to your kitchen. You back up a little bit so you can get a better view of this kitchen. And look at the size of that kitchen. And brushed nickel pools. You have the farmhouse sink. And the island does have the overhang here, so you know, just in case if you wanted to put, you know, more bar stools, but I don't think, you know, most people probably wouldn't want to put bar stools on this side and the other side as well. But if that's what you want, you do have that overhang there if you wanted to put bar stools. The stove is not installed yet, but it's a gas range, and the refrigerator goes there. Built-in microwave. Okay. Sink, stainless steel appliances, and you got a step-in pantry, walk-in. Okay, pan around, give you a little better perspective here. All right, so back here is the master bedroom. So you've got the pan ceiling fan as well. So whoever designed this home, they did make some modifications to the standard floor plan of this home. Okay, so and you see that in this bedroom. Actually, the kitchen, what you saw in the bar area right over there, that's actually a modification from this plan as well. But in here, you'll see some other things that they changed. Okay, got the double sinks. Look how long that vanity is there. So you got plenty of space to store things. And there are 2 closets in this plan. So you've got one of the closets here, and then you have another one right here. Okay, so 2 closets. You got the linen closet as well. And another modification that they made to this plan is typically you will get a tub and a shower, but the people that apparently designed this home actually decided to just put a shower and deleted the tub. So, you know, they did a tile shower that is tiled all the way to the ceiling, and you have the bench seating in here. And that's the same tile floor, and is also on the tile shower. Okay, water closet right here, and it does have a pocket door as well, so you got a pocket door for that water closet. All right, so let's go check out the other side of the home. And this particular home is actually listed for $475,900. It is available for sale while I'm shooting this video right now. It's available for sale. So, you know, if you're interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, just give us a shout, let us know, and we can schedule an appointment to come out and show it to you. You know, and if for some reason this is not the right new construction home for you, we can help you find the right home for you and your family. Just, you know, let us know what you're looking for, you know, the specifics about what's important to you and your family, and we can help you locate that right property. And we may already have inventory lists from different builders that we can look through to see what will work for you. All right, so let's continue with our tour. All right, so just to give you another perspective here, so that's the kitchen. We just came from that side, and this is the other side of the home. So, you know, it is bedroom floor plan. So you've got that master on the other side, and these other bedrooms on this side of the home. Okay, so this is the second bathroom. You got a linen closet right here, and you know, good sized bedroom here. closet. And then your fourth bedroom here. And everything, as you can see on this side over here, is all luxury vinyl plank floors. It is carpet in the owner's suite, but in this room here is luxury vinyl plank floors. And also this room is carpet as well. So maybe they wanted to use this as an office, or maybe they had a child with allergies or something. The reason why they had the luxury vinyl plank run all the way into that room, but the other rooms do have carpet, okay? All right, so let's go check out the upstairs. There is a bonus room over the garage. So right here is the laundry room. You have the cabinets that they added here. The LVP also runs into the laundry room here, and the garage, two-car garage. And there is a yard door, so we'll just check this out real quick. And they added, this is also an addition, typically in here you get the tank water heater, but they added the tankless here in this home. The yard door just comes out here. You got a little small pad. I've seen some people put their trash cans right there. That goes to the backyard. And to the other side of the home as well. Okay. And it does have a sprinkler system in ground. Automatic door opener as well. And let's head on upstairs to the bonus room. And they added the ceiling fan in the bonus room area here. See, it's nicely lit up here. And this is the access into the attic. Not much storage here. I mean, you can store a few things, but not many things you can store up here. Okay. All right, let's go check out the outside. Now this one already comes with the blinds are already installed in this home, so you wouldn't have to add blinds to this home because it's already installed. One thing I forgot to mention as well is right here, the door into the laundry room. There is a pocket door right here, so it's nicely hidden out of the way, so you don't have to worry about doors opening in and out. All right, so other changes that they made to this plan as well. Typically, this back porch here, it's usually not this big. So they actually extended this porch area, this covered deck here. They extended it and also added this part of the deck as well. So they extended all of this. And as you can see, look how big this yard is. This thing is huge. Like I said, it's just under half-acre. Huge yard. Great neighborhood. This neighborhood is conveniently located. I mean, it's BMW. It's about 4.5 miles from here. The airport, Greenville-Spartanburg Airport, is 6 miles away. The interstate, easy access to the interstate, super close to the Five Forks area of Simpsonville. The location here, you can pretty much go shopping in Greenville, or if you wanted to go to Spartanburg and do shopping, you can do that as well. Now, this home is located in Spartanburg County, but it's in Greer, right off of exit 60, off of 85, off of Highway 101 in the Reedville Road area. All right, so cement board sided neighborhood. They do have septic tanks in this community as well, but it's a very small community. So if you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in our area here, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. Or you can click the link or scan the QR code to schedule a time to chat with me. Have a fantastic day. Look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye.